Since I was a kid, I was like passionate about food. And I think I always like teaching. I mean, I love cooking with people. I really love cooking with people. When you don't know a person and you cook with this person, something changes. You get to be really close with these people without even know him. My name is Marcelo Kulish, and this is my space here in Buenos Aires, Argentina, called Açaí. Having my restaurant, some people asked me to teach about dishes in the restaurant, and we had these cooking classes inside the restaurant, and it was amazing. We cook typical things from different places all over Argentina. Chipá or chipacito, empanadas humita, a typical stew again from the northwest called carbonada criolla, and we cook typical Argentine crepes filled with dulce de leche. I think they take home like a little piece of Argentina. They love to take a little piece of Argentinian culture home.